If you love beautiful patchwork quilts, well, so do we at Shabby Fabrics. That's why when we saw Maisons de Patchwork designed by Wendy Sheppard, that's actually a pattern that's been out for a while now, it just resonated with me. I love quilts that depict, kind of the house, log cabin blocks. Not that this necessarily has log cabin, but it's that essence, that era. I really am gravitate toward designs like that. Wendy Sheppard's an incredible pattern designer. So when we saw this beautiful fabric collection from Riley Blake called Evening on the Prairie, I just thought it was so soothing. I just love the combination of colors, and I knew marrying that up with Wendy's pattern would be a beautiful quilt, and that is what we're seeing today. I love the colors in here. It is such a unique combination. Look at how we kind of have these mauves with kind of these almost pinkish oranges. It is a very unique combination of fabrics. Absolutely beautiful. Could be displayed any time of the year. Well, we received enough fabric in to make our sample quilt, and you're now seeing that. We're still very busy putting those kits together. So what that means for you, and if you've been watching, you know what I'm going to say. This is called a reserve. If you know you need this, maybe for your home or to make for a couple that's been newly married or engaged or whatever the occasion, the great news is today you don't have to dig deep into your pocket to come up with a lot of money. It's only $10, and that's going toward the cost of your kit. And this is the perfect backing. It happens to also be our outer border. It is on the back of the quilt. That is, of course, your perfect fabric, right? With this much patchwork and this much effort, a quilt like this deserves the perfect backing, and there it is. And that's just a $5 deposit, right? And then it's on us. We're still busy getting all the fabrics carefully cut, folded, packaged, and then we bill you for the difference and head that your way. Reserves are one of my favorite things because you don't have to go back, check back. It's on us now, and we'll take care of all of the rest. So if you need to have this quilt in your home, or again, maybe giving as a gift, be sure to make that $10 deposit toward the cost of your kit and $5 toward the backing. So anytime we make a quilt like this, it was made right upstairs, we always like to show you what we use. So that way, if you're like, you know what is that tool? Is there something special? First off, there are no specialty required rulers. These are just the ones that we each decided to use. So kind of your standard larger ruler, down to the 2.5 by 24.5, and some smaller rulers. Nothing really that is just like, you gotta have that specific rulers, but this is what we use. But anytime we're doing precise patchwork, as this all is, we always know we wanna start off with a fresh blade in our rotary cutter. Do yourself and your sewing machine a favor and just change that needle. It's so affordable to buy a new pack of needles. We love our Schmetz 8012 needles. Good patchwork pins, good thread. We use the gray in our Carrera set, which is the Aurifil. Beautiful thread made from Italy. Very low lint. I love it. The Carrera set has a white, gray, and a black spool inside this set, and that's all you ever really need to do patchwork. And we just choose the gray because it seems to go with everything, right? We're not changing our thread out when we're doing patchwork. But the most important thing, you know what I'm going to say, is getting your kit reserved. We can't make more of these kits. I think the quilt is even more beautiful than I expected it to be, because when I designed this a long time ago, many months back, it was digital. I hadn't even seen live fabric. It was just digital. And so now that I'm seeing this in person, this is a beautiful quilt. It's going to be hanging in my house too. So head to the Shabby website right now to reserve your kit, your backing, and any notions you might need.